Hey, what's up, everybody? It's around 7:49. It's Sunday night. There's that Lexus. It's got it all primered up. There's some guide coat on it. And got the heater going, so I'm going to see if it'll dry. So I can get it all prepped out for paint. There's that other area right there. We got quite a bit done today. Got the Primo's car in primer too. Take a picture of me. And then next time he comes, we're gonna work on the cancer back here. I was telling him we'll probably need like a whole day or day and a half to yank everything and redo that. I went ahead and did the frame for the bike also. Got it all primered up and guide coated. There's a tank. I don't think I had a before shot of this thing, but it was pretty screwed up. It stayed pretty nice now. There's the bike frame. We're just getting it on still, man. Working late tonight. What happened, bro? Huh? What happened? You put the oil?